Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Sophia Sew and Pray. In this short video, I'm just coming in today to let you know and to also to say Feliz Día de la Patria, Feliz Día de la Independencia de Panamá, Noviembre 3. So today is November the 3rd, Panamanians Independence Day. And if you're wondering why I'm dressed like this, it's because I'm going to be celebrating or have been celebrating all day. And I am going to just to let you know that I was born and I was raised in Panama, and I got married to an American missionary, and that is the reason why now I'm living in the United States of America and became a citizen of the United States of America. But my love for my country has never changed. I love the United States of America. I love the country I was born in. Right now, we are going through some little political issues, and they're not going to be having any parades. I remember the parades. I used to be in every parade when I was in school, and I used to be a batutera. I don't know what you call that in English. And then sometimes I would be a batutera, or the next year I'll be in the batallon. Battalion is when the ladies come out with their shorts, skirts, and their boots, and they march in designs and just make a lot of designs in the whole group, and you could only see it from the skies. So that's pretty much. And then my two girls, when they grew up, they also was marching in every year from preschool, no, kindergarten, all the way till they graduated. Oh well, graduated high school, because my later daughter, she graduated high school and college here in the United States. But every year my children would be, even if they didn't um, want to, well, even if they didn't sign up to be in the band, they was suggested to march to in the parades day, because they were um, honor roll students, and so every year you wanted your honor roll students to march. Every teacher wanted to march with their honor roll students. So my daughters, every year, thank God, they were honor roll students. So yeah, I was an honor roll student, but I just like to march. But my daughters, they were honor roll students. So thank God for that. And then also I have a make, but I would talk about my make next the next post that I do. Tomorrow, Saturday, we will be having a festival, a craft festival in our neighborhood, and there are going to be different vendors there, and we are going to be there also. So I will definitely bring some of the people makes. I may not be showing you the persons, but I will show you the tables and what were vended, what they were selling and stuff like that. So you'll get to see a lot of things that we've done already in our classes. And I will be showing you pictures of tomorrow, if it's God's way. I will be dressing in my pollera or vasquina, because pollera is one thing and vasquina is the other one. Is the same big dress with the, you know, with blouse, something like this, but the skirt is really butterfly-ish, fluffy, and so I'll show you how we do the dance. I'll do all of that in my other video. And now I wanted to show you the tembleques. We call these tembleques. These, I make these out of the beads that I could find here. But in reality, the beads are smaller. The ones that the tembleques that they make are really smaller. But this is what I could find, and this is what I made. So I'm not gonna have the whole jewelry that they but I'll be close. So this one is a butterfly. I made this butterfly, and they will be going on my head, and I'll show that to you tomorrow in my next video. And then this one is a flower. All these I have to put it on with my outfit, which is my basquinia, and I didn't take it out to show you, but you'll see it. And then these are flowers. I need to have at least 2 or 3 butterflies, and this is here's my butterflies. Here it is. Here is one butterfly, and here is the other butterfly. We make them out of beads, or shaquira we call them, and this one is going to be my main butterfly. My skirt is this color, so that's the way it's going to be. And so this, I just wanted to show you this. These are supposed to be flowers, because Panama is consists of fauna and butterflies and fish. So that is pretty much all I came on to say. So you could just see that I am celebrating my country, and I just wanted to say, Dios te bendiga, Panamá, que Dios me la guarde, y gracias por verme nacer. So my last scripture that I would like to give to you, or my scripture that I would like to say to close, is when you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you. And that is coming from Isaiah 43:2. And this is so becoming for today, for what is going on in Panama. And I'd like to say that one in Spanish if I can find it. Para mi gente panameña. So, it is Isaiah 43, can't even see, and 2. I didn't say Spanish. I should have said Spanish. I'm always rolling with this chair. So, hola mi gente panameña. Me gustaría darle un versículo para cerrar, y que está en Isaías 43 y el versículo 2, donde dice: cuando cruces las aguas, yo estaré contigo. Cuando cruces los ríos, no te cubrirán sus aguas. Cuando camines por el fuego, no te quemarás, ni te abrazarán las llamas. Dios te bendiga grandemente, Panamá. Feliz Día de la Independencia. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, even though it's for Panamanians. But mi gente, my people, my subscribers, this is Panama.